Canada Day, and there's an announcement that, as you see, the Niagara City Cruises started running today, formerly known as Maid in the Mist. So the Canadian side of the boats are running as of today, first day. So that's happy news. So we're going to take a walk around. We're going to go up Clifton Hill, and we're going to talk a little bit about how Clifton Hill got its name. So let's go. Oh, look. Zip liners. And it's a very busy day here in the falls. You can see people here across the street. They all have Canadian flags. And I don't know, they're kind of doing a parade. I don't know, I think this might be some type of protest, but I'm not exactly sure, for sure, if that's what it is. Oh, yeah, I think that's what it is. It's a protest. So they definitely want to be noticed, and this is the place to do that. So this is where you can buy tickets to go on the boat for Niagara City Cruises. And there's all types of safety protocols in place, of course. You can see here, there's the prices. It gives you an idea what it costs. if you're coming to the falls to visit, I mean, you should go on the boat. It is such a fun boat ride. You get wet, of course, but you get to see the falls up close, which you can't do from up here. So it's an amazing experience. So I highly recommend it. We're very loud here today. There's the protesters still going.
As long as you do so safely, ma'am, I'm good. As long as you just don't want anybody getting hurt.
So, a little history about how Clifton Hill got its name is from a captain named Captain Ogden Crichton, a British Army officer who named the settlement Clifton after a town in England. And when Captain Crichton came to Niagara Falls, he acquired a sizable amount of land on what is now the south side of Clifton Hill, as well as the area just past the top of the hill, and he built his own residence here, naming it Clifton Cottage. So at the time, Clifton Hill was part of Ferry Road that led to the ferry landing beside the Niagara River, where the Maid of the Mist or Niagara City Cruises now is situated. And before bridges were here, before this bridge was here, the Rainbow Bridge, the only way to cross the river was by ferry. There was no other way to get across. So, a few years later, there were 3 hotels that started here, and the most popular one being Clifton House, which was located right here, as you can see. Oh my goodness. So, sorry, as I was saying, so there was a hotel here, right at this corner here, and it was the Clifton House, and that's where Oaks Garden Theatre is now. So the captain that I mentioned, Captain Crichton, acquired all that land up there at the top of the hill, on this side of the hill, where he built his home, and he was really hoping that other people would catch on and it would be like create this huge village, but it really never caught on. So only a few people bought land there and built on it, but the name remains still today of Clifton Hill. So that's a little history about how Clifton Hill got its name. It's hot. It's hot here today, but a nice day. It's not too sunny right now, so that helps a little bit. The ice cream is looking good. ride it.
Welcome to the Mystery Maze. Here, you won't find any boring exhibits. Instead, come with us.
So
Fun-filled
I want to
quest.
show you what used to be here. This was the entranceway to what used to be Maple Leaf Village.
Back and forth again, till victory is in your hand.
Upside down house.
Don't be too confident. Just when you think you're there.
So just so you can get an idea, see this building here, the Mystery Maze. Well, you can still see it in the picture. So that was the entranceway, Maple Leaf Village Amusement Park. So some of you may remember the amusement park that used to be here. And there used to be a huge Ferris wheel and rides and games, which is now the parking lot for Casino Niagara. And there used to be a complex here, like a 3-story complex with attractions, like there was a movie theater, there was Yuck Yucks Comedy Club, there was an Elvis Presley museum, which I went there a few times with my mom when I was young, and the tower here, which the building was built around, is still here. And I think there is still part of the building on the opposite side of this tower inside of the casino from the original building from Maple Leaf Village. So it's pretty interesting facts to know about this area in Niagara Falls on Clifton Hill. So that's a shot of it again. So it sort of would have been like this if you look at the parking lot here, and then you've got the Ferris wheel, which sort of was in that area that way. And I've even been on that Ferris wheel when I was younger with my friend and her parents a few times. I probably went with my mom, I just don't remember everything. So it's really cool that there's still pictures around, you can see it. It's sad that it's gone, but I mean, there's so many other things here now on Clifton Hill too that, you know, you can have fun at. So that's a little piece of history there for you. Hi. Hi. do it for today's video. And I hope you enjoyed this video on Canada Day. And seeing how people are out and about, enjoying themselves again. Everyone see the patios are open. The Niagara City Cruise boat's open now as of today. And there's so many things to do here, lots of fun. So definitely a place to visit if you're coming to the falls. So thank you so much for watching. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And subscribe. And that's gonna do it for today's video. So stay tuned for the next video, and bye for now.